Lipstick is more than beauty. A single swipe of lipstick can change how you look, but more importantly, how you feel. Most people think lipstick is just makeup, color, style, fashion. But here's the truth. Lipstick does much more than that. It protects your lips, improves lip health, and even boosts confidence in ways science can explain. Let's break it down. Section 1. Lipstick and lip health. Your lips are different from the rest of your skin. They're thinner. They have no melanin. That means they're more vulnerable to sun damage and dryness. That's where lipstick helps. Many modern lipsticks contain SPF for UV protection, moisturizing ingredients like shea butter and vitamin E oils and waxes that seal in moisture ingredients like hyaluronic acid to pull moisture in, beeswax and lanolin to prevent chapping. So a good lipstick doesn't just sit on your lips. It actually protects and conditions them throughout the day. Section 2. The psychological effect. Now let's talk about something interesting, the psychological side of lipstick. Studies show that wearing makeup, especially lipstick, can increase self-confidence in professional and social settings. There's even a term for this, the lipstick effect. During stressful times or economic downturns, lipstick sales often go up. Why? Because it's a small, affordable way to feel better, more put together, more in control. Sometimes confidence really is just one swipe away. Section 3. Professional and social impact. First impressions form fast, often within the first few seconds. In professional environments, a clean, polished appearance signals confidence and competence. Research shows people often perceive women wearing subtle makeup as more confident, more trustworthy, more prepared. This doesn't mean bold or heavy lipstick. A natural, well-applied shade does the job. It's not about standing out. It's about looking intentional. Section 4. Not all lipsticks are equal. Different lipstick types give different benefits. Matte lipsticks, long-lasting, high pigment, but can feel drying. Cream or satin lipsticks, comfortable, hydrating, everyday friendly. Tinted lip balms, light color, hydration, often SPF. If you have dry or sensitive lips, hydration matters more than staying power. Always look at the formula, not just the color. So lipstick isn't just decoration, it's skincare, it's protection, it's confidence, applied daily. Choose formulas that care for your lips, not just color them, because when your lips are healthy, everything else looks better. If this helped, check out more beauty and health tips here on Crave Well.